Here's Aretha Franklin.
Having such a good time, baby. Sipping on a Fanta, you and me. Yeah. There's a taste. You're after in Fanta. There's a taste. I'm after in Fanta. There's real taste of orange in Fanta.
August night and the leaves hanging down and the grass on the ground smelling sweet. Move up the road to the outside of town and the sound of that good gospel beat. Sits a ragged tent where there ain't no trees, and that gospel group telling you and me it's love, brother, love, said brother, love's travel and salvation show. Pack up the babies and grab the old lady. room is suddenly still, and when you'd almost bet you could hear yourself sweat, he walks in. Eyes as black as coal, and when he lifts his face, every hair in the place is on him. Starting soft and low, like a small earthquake, and when he lets go, half the valley shakes. It's love, brother, love, said brother, love's travel and salvation show. Pack up the babies and grab the old ladies, and everyone goes, 'cause everyone knows it's brother love's show. Brothers, I said brothers. Now you've got yourself two good hands, but when your brother is troubling, you gotta reach out your hand for him, 'cause that's what he's there for. And when your heart is troubling, you gotta reach out your other hand. Reach it out to the man up there, 'cause that's what he's there for. Take my hand in yours, walk with me this day. In my heart I know I will never stray. Love, brother, love, son, brother, love, travel and salvation show. Pack up the babies and grab the old ladies, and everyone knows. I said it's love, brother, love, son, brother, love, travel and salvation show. We gotta pack up the babies and grab the old ladies, and everyone knows.
Here's Petula Clark.
Come Saturday noontime, we can magic away on the wind and never wonder why. To a world of joy and laughter, all the goodness found in Fanta. There's the taste of orange in Fanta, the taste of laughter in Fanta. There's real, real taste of orange in Fanta. Clover.